Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be one of the best car roof rack crossbars available on the market. The Amazon Basics 2-piece cross-rail roof rack. Whether you're planning a road trip or just need extra cargo space, this could be the perfect addition to your vehicle. Let's explore why. First off, let's talk about build quality. These roof racks are constructed from heavy-duty aluminum, which not only provides strength but also ensures they're lightweight and resistant to corrosion. With a load capacity of 165 pounds, they're more than capable of carrying your gear securely. Measuring 56 inches in length, these crossbars are designed to fit most cars, SUVs, or crossovers with raised longitudinal rails. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to the rubber-coated steel clamps that offers superior grip and protection against damage to your vehicle. Now, one standout feature is the built-in locking system. This provides added security, ensuring that your crossbars stay firmly in place and reducing the risk of theft and peace of mind for any traveler. It's important to note the compatibility requirements. These crossbars are ideal for vehicles with raised rails where there's a gap between the rail and the car roof. They fit rails with diameters ranging from 1.4 to 2.1 inches and require the distance between rails to be between 42 and 49.6 inches. Many users appreciate the included rubber sealing strips, which help reduce wind noise during travel, enhancing your driving experience. This attention to detail shows Amazon Basics' commitment to user comfort and satisfaction. However, it's essential to mention that these crossbars aren't suitable for cars with closed rails, as they need that gap for secure installation. Vehicles like the 2020 Benz GLC and BMW X3 fall into this category and should consider alternative options. Whether you're into outdoor activities like biking or kayaking, or simply need extra luggage space for a family trip, these roof racks offer versatility and reliability. Plus, their sleek black finish complements most vehicle styles, adding a touch of aesthetic appeal. Many users have shared positive feedback about how easy these crossbars are to install and their durability even after prolonged use. They're designed to withstand various weather conditions, making them a reliable companion for your adventures. In conclusion, the Amazon Basics 2-piece cross-rail roof rack stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's cargo carrying capacity. With its robust construction, ease of installation, and thoughtful design features, it's no surprise it's highly rated among users. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a weekend warrior, investing in quality accessories like these can make all the difference. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!